Willows are fast-growing trees that are easy to propagate from cuttings. They are an excellent choice for adding shade to your garden or for creating a windbreak. Growing willows from cuttings is a straightforward process, and if you follow these steps, you'll have new trees in no time. Choose your cutting. The first step is to choose a cutting. Cuttings should be taken from healthy, mature trees during the dormant season, which is typically in late fall or early winter. Select a branch that is at least ½ inch thick and cut it to a length of 12 to 18 inches. Cuttings taken from the base of the tree will root more easily than those taken from the top. Prepare the cutting. Remove all the leaves and side shoots from the lower 2/3 of the cutting, leaving only 2 or 3 leaves at the top. Make a clean, diagonal cut at the bottom of the cutting, just below a node, where a leaf was attached. Dip the cut end into rooting hormone powder. Plant the cutting. Fill a container with moist potting soil or sand, and make a hole in the center with a pencil or your finger. Insert the cutting into the hole, and gently press the soil or sand around it. Water the cutting thoroughly. Care for the cutting. Place the container in a cool, bright location, out of direct sunlight. Keep the soil or sand moist, but not waterlogged. Mist the cutting with water occasionally to keep the leaves from drying out. After a few weeks, the cutting should start to grow new leaves, which is a sign that it has rooted. Transplant the cutting. Once the cutting has rooted, it is ready to be transplanted. Choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Dig a hole twice as wide and deep as the root ball of the cutting. Gently remove the cutting from the container and place it in the hole. Fill in the hole with soil, and water the tree thoroughly. Maintain the new tree. Water the new tree regularly during the first year, especially during dry spells. Willows prefer moist soil, so make sure the soil around the tree stays damp but not waterlogged. Fertilize the tree with a balanced fertilizer in the spring and summer to encourage healthy growth. In conclusion, growing willows from cuttings is a simple and rewarding process. By following these steps, you can propagate new trees and enjoy the benefits of a beautiful, fast-growing shade tree in your garden.